charge is negative, so what will happen is if q is negative, then everything else is in the same direction. V cross b will be up the plane, but due to charge is negative, force now will be directed towards minus z axis. So situation will be like this, that here it is x axis, here it is y axis, here it is z axis. So force will now be directed like this. So it will be having at center just like 0 0 minus 1, and velocity is over here. So it will move like this, and certainly the center is here, so it will move like this. So here thing is that it will move toward minus z axis rather than plus z axis. So if we draw, let us say this is your minus z axis and this is your x axis. So let us say this has x dash axis. So same concept will be here, but here it will rotate in anti-clockwise sense. As you can feel over here, if I look through the y-axis, then this xl plane will be, the particle will be moving in anti-clockwise way. So it will move like this with the speed v. So that will again be circle in xl plane, but here sense of rotation will be anti-clockwise. So that will be the locus of the particle. Then next question comes, if magnetic field is downward, charge is positive. So again, we can see that here circulation of V cross B will be clockwise down the plane. So this simple case will be applicable over here. In the next case, Q is negative. So if Q is negative, so that will correspond to this case. Because V cross B is clockwise, so it will be down the plane, but due to negative charge, force will be up the plane. So force will be up the plane, so structure will be like this, and structure will be like this, and the locus will be like this. So this is how you can visualize things. Now move on to the next part. Velocity is making an angle with the magnetic field. So what we can do is that we can break velocity as v cos theta and v sin theta, and we can apply superposition principle. So we can say that there are two particles. First is moving along magnetic field, and second is perpendicular to the magnetic field. Charge is positive. So due to this velocity, it will move in a straight line along the field.